Hey hotel hoppers, welcome to another episode. Today we are back to Bangkok and checking out Parkroyal Suites. They just opened in November 2022 and we booked a studio room, but as GHA Discovery Titaniums we got upgrade to one bedroom suite, and this one is 1203. Come on in and see how it looks like. So this hotel was closed for 2 years. It used to have a bit different name before, and now they reopened and did also a bit of rebranding under the Parkroyal family. And you can see that they have been renovating, like there is new paint and things, but some things are still old. For example, here in the kitchen corner we have a sink and for example the stove, but this is, you see that it has been used for quite some years, so you kind of feel that it's not brand new despite recent opening, but it's quite clean, as clean as it can be for a used equipment. Tea and coffee options are limited to just Dilmah teas and Nescafe red cup, but you have stuff if you want to kind of stay longer, cook your own food. You have the necessary utensils in these drawers, like bigger knives, can openers, spatulas. You can see, like, for brand new hotel, this looks like, wow, at least a year of intensive use. And they have also here, like, for 2 people, it's kind of pots and pans, plates, glasses, and so on. And there is a big fridge if you want to kind of get extra ice cream or some other food. But it looks like, you see, this is maybe something you can see. An old apartment of your grandmother's or something like that. So the bathroom has this kind of old feel. If you look, this shower and bathtub combo, this is something I think from the 90s, and it looks like unchanged ever since, and it looks like it's also not that clean as it could be. The bathroom amenities are rather boring. I don't know. It's our first time to be in this Parkroyal brand. If this really is the Parkroyal thing, or it looks like some kind of no brand local alternative. After washing yourself, maybe you also want to wash your clothes. And there is a dishwasher. Oh, sorry, a washing machine. Getting too much sun here. And it's an older Siemens model. In other places they have new Electrolux, but it looks fairly decent and it looks clean. And what's nice as well, for example, in Kimpton residences and some other places, they don't give you washing detergent. Over here, the washing detergent is already waiting for you. So maybe it's a good pit stop, that if you are having a longer trip in Thailand or in Southeast Asia, you stay here for a few days to get all your laundry done. Here I have already put a few things. It's kind of like a dining area, or it could maybe work as well. And this is the living room. What's nice is that probably part of the renovations, they have put the new flat screen TVs and the new furniture. At least this looks like nice and clean. And so, I mean, it feels fresh, and I think it's, even if it's otherwise it would be dark room, because they use this glass, it's getting more light, and that also creates like a nice feeling. So what do we have here on the table? Because currently they have a special offer for opening. You get a welcome gift, which is this kind of golden tuk-tuk. Then here, also part of the welcome offer, or reopening offer, they have this Thai suites, and as a titanium elite amenity. You have got two bananas and 2 apples. Not the most exciting one we have seen in Thailand, but well, that's their choice. And then here we have the bedroom. So I think the suites can be both in the twin and king configuration. This one is in a king configuration. Something that I instantly saw that maybe it's not that nice and not our favorite is that they have put the AC unit, which looks old. It's kind of blowing to the bed. If you adjust it, the lever is up, then at least it's not kind of going directly on you, but something to be aware of. They have charging points and USB ports on both sides of the bed. That's kind of cool. And on this side of the bed they have also a clock and small weather station. Here is something actually important. If you're doing laundry, you want to iron your clothes. There is first of all the rack to put your clothes to dry, ironing equipment, and then of course the robe and so on. And on the other side they have like a bit bigger safe than in some other hotels. This is good for a longer stay as well. And then Philips hairdryer hidden here. There is also a dedicated working area and an extra big TV for the bedroom. One thing I have to say is like there are no direct power ports except a few behind the TV, so you have to somehow crawl behind the TV if you want to get your laptop to charge. And there is no light, so if you want to have like a late night evening call, there is a mirror, but yeah, no light. But what's really exciting here is that there are not too many hotels in Bangkok that have balconies, and this hotel has a quite big one, and it's also covered with a roof, so maybe even if it's a rainy day you can hang here, chill. And even though we are very close to Sukhumvit, we are not right next to it, so it's blocking some of the traffic noise. So it's a bit more quiet than expected. The only noisy thing here on the balcony is the AC unit. So maybe in the future, maybe they can come up with a smart way to make this quiet. But otherwise, this is the main noisy thing you have. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough tour here at the freshly opened Parkroyal Suites in Bangkok. They just opened a week ago, so we're very excited to see how it looks like. It's good probably for like a longer residential stay, or if you want to get your laundry done, or you want to cook your own food. Otherwise, there are also like some other hotels offering you maybe newer experiences in the GHA family, but something to consider. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have some extra questions regarding this property, you can put it in the comments below. And if you want to see other reviews, we have been doing quite some reviews in Bangkok. Check the previous reviews. We have created a special playlist, reviews in Bangkok. Check this out, and then you can see all the other options you could stay in this city. If there are some hotels that you are interested in this city and you see we haven't been yet, and you would like us to make a review, put it in the comments below and let us know. Yeah, happy to try to go there as well and make a review for you. And if you want to stay up to date of the next places we go, you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and you would be first one to be notified of all the next uploads. Thank you for watching this episode, and see you soon again, somewhere in a new hotel, in a new suite or villa or room on this planet.